In this video I'm going to show you how to recreate the synth sound from the remix of Maceo Plex for the track of Vangelis and titles from the movie Blade Runner. Now, I could try to recreate one of his own sounds from his works, but there are already many videos out there that you can check out. Instead, I'm choosing to recreate a sound from another favorite artist of mine, Mr. Maceo Plex. I believe he used an original Roland SH-101 for this, and that's why we are using the emulation from Togu Audio Line. So the remix of Maceo Plex is on 123 BPM, and I believe it's in the key of C# minor. This is the MIDI. You can either copy it or send me a message, and I can send you the file. Now let's go and recreate the sound. The sound right now sounds like this. For this sound, we're gonna need actually a square wave all the way up. No need for a sawtooth. And we're gonna raise the sub oscillator all the way up, and we're gonna put it on -1 octave. Then we move to the VCA section, and instead of the gate, we're gonna use the envelope option. And then on the envelope section, we're gonna move this to the gate and trigger option. And now the sound sounds like this. Okay, let's shape the sound right now. The attack almost all the way down. The decay, it will be around somewhere like this, like 4.2. We don't need sustain at all. And we're gonna turn a little bit up the release. And right now the sound sounds like this. It's quite a long sound, but I'm gonna show you why in a while. Now let's move to the VCF section. The frequency, we're gonna put it all the way down. We're gonna turn up a little bit the resonance on the second line. And turn up a little bit the envelope between the third and the fourth line. Modulation all the way up, and the keyboard all the way up. And now let's move to the VCO section. We don't need to change anything else here apart from the pulse width. We're gonna put this all the way up. Then we're gonna move to the modulator section. We're gonna turn on the sync and the trigger. So every time we're gonna hit a new note, the LFO will restart. And the sync, we need it because we want to put it on 1/8 dotted note. And we're gonna move the waveform from triangle to square. This way we can recreate a delay effect without using a delay plugin. And the sound so far sounds like this. Then we move to the transpose section. We're gonna put this on high, and we're gonna turn off the portamento. And from the pitch and mode section, we're gonna raise a little bit the mode and the VCO around the fourth line. And I believe now we are ready to listen to the sound. Because this sound is quite boomy, I used EQ8 from Ableton just to get closer to the original sound from Maceo Plex's remix. Okay, now let's listen to the final result. If you liked the tutorial, please drop a comment or hit like, and you can also subscribe and check future videos. Until the next time, bye bye.